Hey guys, it's Blake here with MST. Today we're going to talk about what to expect in a bench-only powerlifting meet. The main points are to wait for the commands, start, press, and rack, and to keep your hips on the bench throughout the entire lift. Let's watch a few examples from past MST meets together. Going to approach the bench, waiting for the platform ready command. He lays down, takes his grip, and is able to take the bar off whenever he likes, but he has to wait for the start command from the judge. Now he waits for the press. And he waited for the rack. That was a properly executed bench press in a powerlifting meet. Let's take another look at another lifter. He's taking his grip at his own leisure. Now he waits for the start command. He waited for press. And he waited for rack. Another example of a properly executed bench press in a powerlifting meet. I hope those two examples help demonstrate proper execution of a bench-only powerlifting meet. If you have any other questions, please reach out to me directly and I'll be happy to answer them. Scan the QR code on screen now to register before September 16th, and we hope to see you on the platform at the 2023 Bench and Blizzards Halloween Bash.